guys, Tammy, we're on the boat. Bailey was sleeping in our bag. I have a bed for her underneath with a blanket, but she prefers to sleep in the bag. She just loves the boat. She got a dip in the water. Say hi, Steve. This is what it looks like. I'm sitting at the front of the boat. It's so beautiful out. We're trying to get a good fishing spot. We've been talking to some people on the boats, and they say nobody's catching anything. We're going over some waves. Not only today, but I guess all summer. So it hasn't been a good fishing season here. I don't know if it's because the water's been too warm, so we're trying to go into deeper water so that the water's cooler. See what we can catch. But it is just beautiful. We're so fortunate. This is where we go under the bridge here to go dock. But there's usually a lot of fish around here. What you doing, Bailey? Hey? Gonna catch a fish? Gonna catch a fish? Let's see if our fish detector goes off. How deep? 29 feet. Well, we can try it here. Okay guys, I'll see you later. If we catch a big one, I'll videotape it. Love you. Bye.